Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review on this foil art craft activity book. I was gifted from the brand for my daughter and she really loves it. It's fun, creative and full of colors. I would love to give you a closer look and tell you everything you need to know. This activity book is great for kids who enjoy crafts, coloring and making pretty things. The kit comes with 8 colorful colors attached on the right side of the book. The markers are small and bright, just the right size for kids. My daughter enjoyed switching between foil art and coloring. Also, you get 80 colorful foil sheets. The colors are very bright. Pink, gold, blue, silver, and more. This kit is also great for travel. It's small, clean, it does not make a mess. No glue, no scissors, just peel and press. Perfect for when you're on a go. The foil cards are the best part. Each card has a picture like a butterfly, ladybug, or a bee. The design are very colorful and friendly. They're simple enough for younger kids to do it without help. 7-year-old daughter was super excited and she could do it all by herself. It's a great way for them to use their hands and learn how to focus. It's very simple to do it. Just carefully peel off the white section of the top sheet. Then place a piece of foil on a sticky area. Make sure the shiny side of your foil is facing up. Firmly press down on it with your fingers and reveal awesome rainbow sparkles. And you can mix and match your foils to create amazing rainbow art. Coloring pages are also fun. After finishing the foil cards, my daughter used the including markers to color the fashion cards. She enjoyed switching between foil arts and coloring. I really like that this activity keeps kids away from screens and let them be creative. It helps build hand skills, color matching, and patience. And best of all, the final result looks amazing. Overall, this is a fun, colorful, and high-quality craft kit. We absolutely love it and definitely recommend this product.